Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth for baby. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of bones, like chicken or beef, and 1 cup of chopped vegetables such as carrots and celery. Place these in a large pot, then add enough water to completely cover everything. This simple start ensures a flavorful and nutritious base for your baby's meals. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring the water to a gentle boil. Immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for a minimum of 4 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a richer flavor. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface. This keeps your broth clear and pure for your little one. After simmering, it's time to strain your delicious broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth. Discard all the bones and vegetables, as you only need the liquid. Let the strained broth cool down completely to room temperature before moving on to storage. Once cooled, your homemade baby broth is ready for storage. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it in small, individual portions, like ice cube trays, for up to 3 months. This nutritious broth is perfect for thinning purees or adding flavor to your baby's solid foods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.